everyone, it's Rachel from JR Couponer, and this is part 2 of my Walmart haul that I got for today. There's some pretty awesome freebies. If you guys haven't checked out my first video that I posted, I will leave it linked in the description. And there are a lot of the offers that were there. Thank you guys for letting me know in the comments that they already did disappear. So once again, don't forget to check in store and scan the items to make sure the products you are purchasing are qualifying, because sometimes IBOTTA does remove the offers once their limit is reached. So let's get started. I want to say thank you to Mrs. MD Nestor here on YouTube for the deal on the Chips Ahoy cookies and the Oreo cookies. So the Chips Ahoy Sour Patch cookies, they are $2.94. The Swagbucks app is giving 75 cents back. Savingstar is giving 75 cents back, and the IBOTTA app is giving 24 cents back. It's giving $1 back, I'm sorry, making it just 24 cents. If you guys are new to any of the rebate apps that I mentioned, as always, I will leave them linked down below. The next deal is on these Carefree Breathe Liners. They are 97 cents. IBOTTA is giving $1 back, making it just a free plus a 3-cent moneymaker, and there is a limit of 5 on this deal. The next deal is on the fudge-covered Oreos. They are $3.18 at my store. Swagbucks is giving 75 cents back, Savingstar is giving 75 cents back, and IBOTTA is giving $1 back, making the final cost just 68 cents. I have another Dove scenario. So you're going to purchase the Dove Body Wash, the 22-ounce bottle, for $5.94, the Dove Daily Moisture Shampoo for $3.44, and the Dove Trial Size Deodorant Spray for $1.97. That's going to total to $11.35. You're going to use 2 of the dollar internet printables on Dove.com. You just have to sign up, and they will send you an email, and then you can click their email and save now, and it should direct you over to a coupon. I will leave the Dove website down below in the description box. Shopkick is giving back 1,800 kicks in a bundle, which is equivalent to $7.20. And the IBOTTA app is giving $1.25 back for the full-size Dove body wash. That makes it 90 cents for 3, and that is tracking towards one offer on IBOTTA for your bonus. And the last and final deal is a repeat deal. It's on the Alka Seltzer gum. It is $4.24, and there is a $2 manufacturer coupon in the $6.28 Smart Source. IBOTTA is giving $2 back, making the final cost just 24 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did miss the previous video that I posted, don't forget to check that out. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and use our referral codes down below. You will unlock a welcome bonus if you redeem one offer on IBOTTA if you sign up with our code. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, happy couponing!